Gauze Garage coming to you from Ideal Classic Cars here in South Venice. Here's something you don't see every day. 69 Nova SS 396 L78 big block 4-speed. We're going to have a look at this car in a minute, but I just want to tell you, here's the information on it. It's real deal, and this thing is nice. Here we go. Someone has really finished the car off professionally. I'm looking at the bezels on the grill. Very well done. Very neat, very tidy. Paint is real clean and straight. Obviously been massaged free of any orange peel on this thing. All the bright trim, professionally massaged and perfect. And then take a look at this interior. Very Spartan. That's the Nova for you. I mean, just plain Jane. Plain, straight, and simple forward. But look at that. It's got like the gauges you would get in a Camaro with the console 4-speed. Let's stand back and get a shot of this thing. And here we go. You know what? These were light cars from the factory with a high performance 396 big block. You had no choice but to get down the road with these. And take a look at the detail on it. Yes. And we got buyers standing around the car as we speak. I wish. I know. This won't go cheap, you know, but it's a beautiful car. And I think you'll agree once I zoom in on this dash and interior that the car has been finely prepared. They didn't make very many of them, so that's why this car gets the attention that it did. Seating is like brand new. And because it says do not touch, we can't lift the hood, unfortunately. Unless you want to, and you get yelled at.
No.
This one's nice, isn't it? Yep. You can certainly tell. Well, there you have it. Nova fans, 396 4-speed. Factory car here at Ideal Classic Cars. If you have any questions on it, just give Fritz a call. He is the man. Thank you.